In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Firefox passwords to another computer in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you've switched devices, upgraded your laptop, or just want to move your saved login safely and quickly without having to retype every password by hand. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on the computer where your passwords are already saved. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, then choose Passwords. This will open the Firefox Password Manager, where all of your saved logins are stored. Once you're in the password section, look to the top right corner again and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down list, choose Export Passwords. Firefox may show a warning message because exporting passwords creates a file that can be opened outside the browser, so be sure you're on a secure, trusted computer before continuing. When that prompt appears, click Continue with Export. After that, Firefox will ask you where you want to save the file. Select a location that you can easily find later, like your desktop or downloads folder, and then click Save. Firefox will export your saved passwords into a CSV file. Now here's the important part. That CSV file contains sensitive login information, so handle it carefully and only transfer it to the computer you trust. You can move it using a USB drive, a secure cloud folder, or any other method you prefer. Once the file is on the other computer, you can use it as needed for importing or accessing those saved credentials, depending on the setup you're using. Just remember to delete the CSV file when you're done to keep your information secure. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Firefox passwords and transferred them to another computer. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials coming soon.